broken sprayer here, so we can, and it's stuck inside, so my idea was to try and use a pair of scissors and push it in. Try and wedge it in to where the thread is and start turning. Oh, look at that. Beautiful. See that? It's actually come straight out. So that's really good, because now I can just replace that with another one, which is a blue one. There we go. All done. It's an end stake tripper. Great new product. Adjusts the flow. Use at the end of the irrigation line for healthy watering. It's a triple tap with a poly tube connector, an elbow, a T and a end stake tripper. You just need to turn that down a bit more, and then we don't need that much water. That'll be all we'll need.